Okay, so I thought that I had minimap enabled there. Thanks so much, Farid. Thanks so much. You're a man. Thanks for supporting me. Okay, so for the future who will see this recording, I'm just explain briefly what I'm doing here. So I'm designing the Freeroam section. It's actually kind of working, like navigation is working, and right now I'm working on minimap.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess.
Yeah, that's the Freeroam map. It doesn't show. And why it doesn't show? It's supposed to be. Ah, it's supposed to slide in. By the way, Farid, I talked with Yeva today. She was supposed to join stream. It would be fun if you two were here. But I guess she forgot. Okay, so this frame, it's supposed to be... Yeah, that's Freeroam. Current zone. Yeah. It gets me navigation buttons, and then I have separate frame for image map. Freeroam.map, yes. It should populate. Maybe this one? No, it's not this one. Freeroam frame. Sliding. Yeah. This one adds me... I already forgot about it. So, this one makes arrows. And this one shows map, I think. But it doesn't show because its styles is not. It's weird. It was supposed to be here. Supposed to work. Oh no, that's not that scripts. I need. Okay, let's show it. It was supposed to be in this area. Maybe it's because... No. Yeah, the images are here. Oops. Okay, let's see if I like this. Ah, okay. That's the minimap. Yeah, it was off screen because it's supposed to slide in. So minus 420. This is correct. Yeah, and there should be this button minimap. Let me just remember how are we declaring the text buttons. Okay, text button. Yeah, there it is. So action to run when button is activated, right? This also controls a button sensitive, yeah, action. I don't remember what I'm doing. Ah, yeah, I remembered. Now I remember. So we do show. No, not show. Show it's for screens, but I have a frame. So I need to move the frame.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, soft touch your hand in mine, gets me every time.
Actually, we can move it. Scroll.
Lost in the city lights, our love
We'll change the variables.
you make me feel alive. I know July is gone, you make me feel at home in the neon
This audio focus and other actions.
as the leaves change color. I dive into you when summer's fading. There's nothing to do but bask
Shows screen, right?
glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season.
Yeah, I guess this is the problem. I'm overcomplicating things. So if I take this mini map and make it a screen, yeah, that would be better.
Beneath an endless night, the world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never
Yeah, let's try it.
you and I would shine during the darkest time. As the leaves change color, I dive into you when summer's fading. There's nothing to do but bask in the
Yeah,
glory of the winter's.
mini map
Maybe this is the season.
in here. We take parameter Freeroam.
Leaves change color, I dive in.
So here we make a style prefix,
There's nothing to do but
call it minimap. Then we take tag, just for any case, and minimap.
maybe this is the season of love.
Current zone, I don't think I need it. Background, I don't need it. So let's take. Let's just copy this. Box.
Before you act, there's something really off about that. Can't you see the problem with just caring about yourself? Maybe you should try to do something for someone else. You gotta give a little, just to get a little. Gotta give a little, just to. There's something about you. Do
Okay. Okay, I think I need this one too. Yeah. Good. Now we need to style it. This one I can delete. And this one I take here. This. Tidy up a little bit. Okay, so now we need to make a new styles. How's my voice, Farid? Do you hear me? Freeroam. Oh no, Freeroam. Frame. Okay. So let's copy basically this one here. And this one can be edited. this minimap button is similar like Freeroam button. So, but yeah, something to that extent. However, I need to position it correctly. I wonder why it's not. Yeah, Freeroam button is X-align 05. Ah, its size. Its size is different. And because close button, yeah, okay, I get it. I get it. That button text should be centered. If I'm not mistaken, it's text align, right? Text styling. Okay, no. General text tags. There are no align. Or I should align inside the box, inside the button. Okay, let's look at the text button. Selected sensitive text style. Position style, window style. Yeah, it's align of the button itself, but I need to align elements inside. Proper use to specify look of the window frames and buttons. Alignment of rows and columns in the box. No, it's not that. Let's just try it. Brute force it. Surprisingly, it worked. Okay. Okay. Now I need to figure out why it's so far from the map itself. And by the way, why is it map bigger? The overlay is bigger than map itself. That's strange. So let's give it a border. No? No borders? Okay, can we give it background? Nope. Ah, no. Wait. Give background here. Yeah. Ah, okay, I see. Because I made height. Height. The button itself is too small. I don't know, 40? Yeah. And about minimap, why it's is it something to do with padding? Why it's so big? Hold on. I have... Ah, I see. This is because I have a shadow there. Yep, I have a shadow. Okay, this is working. Now let's try to make it slide. I already have transform here. Show me map, and here screen actions, screen transition. Yeah, transition equals transition equals slide in, right? Slide in, yes. Where is it? Ooh, fatal error. Invalid syntax, line 22. No, it's supposed to be. Ah, okay. I got you. Got you. I forgot the comp. String object is not callable. Okay. Let's make it not string. Hold on. No. It's not sliding it. Why it doesn't slide in? Because duration is it's 1 second, right? Let's see if this changes. Nope. It's not it. But non-transition is used to show the new screen. Yeah, I'm kind of suck at transitions. Never fully understood them. Let's just look at the transitions. Maybe make a predefined move in, move out. Slide down. Okay, what if we do this? What if slide down? Oh shit. Yeah, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay. How do I make minimap? Transition applied to minimap only. to ask around on forums how to do it. Okay, so this is, yeah, this is it. So next, what I want to do is, first of all, remove that black screen. Yeah, good. Now that we have this, I want to work on displayables. Freeroam, we're going to have like active elements. There's three types of idle elements. One is a story, one is collectible, and one is navigation. So navigation is easy. This is navigation. Right? So collectible and story are different things. They kind of same thing. It's a hotspot on a picture, but story just moves the story forward, just shows a bit of a story. How many times I said story. And the collectible is a thing that unlocks something, or image gallery, or I don't know, or anything. So yeah, let's tackle it. So let's get back to the screen, and yeah, how did I? Yeah, nav buttons. Yeah, I did it inside of a right inside of a class. So Freeroam class. No, location class. There. That's weird. So I gave it ID, name, and then zones. Ah, okay. The zone itself has navigation, background, and map area, right? So each should have collectibles. This is the navigations. Yeah, no, but okay. So what I want to do is, what I need to do is, in the zone, I need to declare collectibles. So let's do this like this. After the navigation, I say collectibles. Or hotspots. Because it can be collectibles, it can be a story, right? Yeah. And we'll do self collectibles. Revenue. No collectibles. Hotspots. Come on. Spots. Okay. Yeah. Missing position argument, yeah. That's because I need to reflect here. Now it should work. Yeah. Okay, now here in the living room, we're going to declare a new hotspot. We call it, for example, entity. Let's add a story. Story. No, we don't need init here. So in story, yeah, we have ID, name, X position, Y position, label, basically the same ones as in a navigation, but with some twist, right? Yeah. Let's just take all this and copy here, so we know what's happening. Story ID. Do we actually need story ID? That's what I'm thinking. We didn't use ID for navigation, right? No, we used ID and name. Okay, fine. Let's say let's say 0.5, just stick it in the middle, and then we'll adjust it. So label should take us to a story label. Let's say here label here story. Why did I capitalize it? I don't know. Here's story. And say It's not. And then return. No, not return. We just do it like here, and it should return to the free roam, right? The hell? Label is not defined. Yeah, I know. I know. Just bear with me. Так, label. And label we take care story. Oh, next label. Ah. Okay, I see what I did here. I will explain later why I did this. Label. Next story. Story. Let's just give it a pass. That's it.
If you trust me with your feelings, I won't make you wanna run. Only in my dreams, I play fair, I don't make you leave.
So.
Oh my god, why is it so hard to love? Only in my
I remember why I need ID. This is why I need ID. Because it takes ID and makes it in pull-ups. Oh no, it didn't show up. It didn't show up because I don't have a code for showing it up. Well, let's write this code. So, location, class, Freeroam screen. Yeah, in screen, I didn't write. So, that should be easy. We take this and just copy it down. And here we say for story entity, current zone. Yeah, current zone navigation, hotspots. Okay. I guess. No, I don't need to do anything. So image button, nav entity. Not nav entity, but story entity. Freeroam, nav arrow, no. After, and we have entity class have image, right? No, it doesn't have image Y. Okay. So we take Freeroam. We need to pull up not from GUI Freeroam. We need to pull it up from entity class. Should have, yeah, should have entities, hello, and hover. Yes, it has image path property. Self name lower. It doesn't. It shouldn't took name. It should took the ID. Should take ID or name. Let's give it a name for now. So here in a screen we take after not this but story entity dot image path, right? Image path, yes. No, not image path. Image idle. Ah, okay, hold on. That's how I did it. Fine, okay. Not after, but in image button you say not after, but idle, right? No, hold on. Image button. Yeah, it's just idle and hover. Store entity, image idle. Okay. And hover. Can find entities chair living hover. Okay, let me see how we... background images. Okay, we need... Why didn't I make it a path variable? I need to do it though. Yeah. Now we need to adjust this positioning. So this one is X, right? X should be 6 and it should be 4. Five. Just a smidge. Yeah, something like this. We'll fix it later. But now, if I click it, why it's it was supposed to show me. Okay, I see what's wrong. I forgot. Action, not the Freeroam move. Action should be jump to function, not function, but jump and story entity label. Label. It's label, right? Yes, label. Okay. Okay, I see. I need a reliable way to quickly find out these coordinates. What is this? Ah, it's zones hotspot on a minimap. Okay, so by the way, why didn't change the scene? Maybe not jump, maybe call. What if we use call screen? Action, call. Use control to transfer to a lamp label. Then close label given as a string. Okay, this is This is unfortunate. Actually, I was expecting this when I call or jump on a label. I was expecting this to close and show me black screen with a narration. But it just showed me here. It's fine, it should be like this for the collectibles, but for story entry it should change. And oh well. Hence the current statement, close label, giving us a string. Arguments, keyword arguments are passed to employee call. Back. What if I take some... Okay, hold on, let me try something. Let me try something. What if I do this? What can I take spoiler free? Let's say we take those ones and we copy them here to Freeroam. And we make like this. Steam T04 T03 down. Let's see what happened. Nope, nothing. Doesn't show because Freeroam is on top, right? That's why this happens. Somewhere. No. I thought maybe I Z order. Messed with that order somewhere. When show Freeroam.show, we are calling the show screen Freeroam itself. That order none. That order show the screen on. If not specified, defaults to the Z order straight with the screen. It's not specified, it's 0 by default. So it should be somewhere, it should be on default. Okay. This is very weird. Very, very weird.
Have you lost your mind? I'll give you some of my alien vibe. Study my alien drip. It used to be a dream of mine. But you have changed my mind. Wanted to be
And it's actually, yeah, and it's active. Okay, so I need to deactivate this Freeroam, show story, and then reactivate it again. I thought that if I call it in this label and then jump to another label, it's going to show. How about rollback? Does rollback work? And why it's closing? It shouldn't close. The return should return to the Freeroam. Okay, what's the arguments of call?
Who's to blame when you're all out of chances and nothing is going your way? Let's just see how bad this gets. I'm 30 something now and everybody seems to have their shit together while I'm just passed out drunk and I can't even talk. I just wanna be teen again. What's gonna weigh you down when all you do is hang out with your friends? I just wanna feel 18 again.
What if we don't call it? What if we just jump? Jump. This is very weird. But fine, let's do. How do I jump? Okay. We make a Ren'Py. Step to terminate. Complete. Okay. Okay. So, Ren'Py call, and we call it to label, and then Ren'Py show screen. Freeroam. Okay, now screen we take on. How do we? Function. Freeroam, not Freeroam, story entity. Story entity dot jump label. Story object has no jump label. Why not? Because I did it Freeroam class. Okay. Makes sense. Oh yeah. That's more like it. But okay. Good. Now I need to make it so it returns. I guess if it's Freeroam inside of a code, inside the actual VN, it's gonna work fine. Let's just make sure. If I make this, add more meat, so to say, it should work fine. Okay, yeah, but we need to call the Freeroam. I thought I'm calling it from here. Show screen Freeroam. What if I not return from here, but make this Freeroam show? Yeah. Yes. Come on. ignores this one for some reason. Or maybe it destroys the Freeroam. But there is nothing to show. Just left. Okay. So what I'm thinking is I'm thinking that I need to move this code to my live game. And this is because I think that problem with ending the game after instead of showing back the Freeroam, it should go away. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So basically I need to transfer these 4 files, some images, and here the declaration of locations. Yeah. And that's what I'm gonna do. So let me just open up my game. And see what do I have here. So I have smartphone screens, desktop. I need to clean this up because there is lots of code that doesn't make sense now. Okay, Freeroam folder. Yeah, that's all old code. Yeah, that's old code. We're removing everything from here. Yeah, that's new code. Also, then we need to let's say we just do it in the first day, right at the start. Yeah, let's do it here. So we need to where do we want to insert our Freeroam declaration? It's funny that I made define locations and okay, I'll deal with it later. I think I made a mistake here. So let's copy this and insert right here in the end. Okay, and then we go here and insert the call.
I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not. I wish I didn't have to give into the pressure. I'm posting pictures, trying to be someone I'm not. It feels just like I'm lying to you. I fake it, stage it, trying to live some perfect life. I know I'm wasting time, 'cause I just wanna call my friends and see what they're doing tonight. It doesn't have to be so special. I try to be myself, you do the same and we'll be alright. 'Cause this pressure's really bringing me down.
Okay, so I guess this should work now.
I wish I had the guts
Let me
to
close
start a
this.
conversation with someone.
Close,
Just be who I am, I can't
cascade falls and launch it. Name location is not defined. Why is that? Line 171. I have location class. Why it's giving me error?
I wish I was above the center of attention, but I'm not.
Okay, what if we do this? Trace back. No, name location is not defined. I guess this is because my Freeroam
Pillow talk, little walls, simple minds want it all. Take it off, 5 o'clock. What come but rocks?
How do we init before everything?
Dirty socks, kitchen sink, bring it on. Drink a drink, drink it off, take it off, take it off, take it off. Rhythm and blues.
There was a init -2. Let's say -5. Will it help? No buttons, yeah, that helps. Okay. Image button does not have a idle image. Ha. Okay. Because we didn't transfer the images. Mhm. Images locations. Okay, it progresses the story, but it doesn't return to... But it's not returning to Freeroam. Okay, that's something. So, yeah, I guess I can turn this off, close this one, and continue working here. Um, so what if we... Well, after return it should return to the Freeroam. Hmm. That's interesting. Doesn't hurt to try, right? Freeroam, jump plate, pull. Hmm. That's weird. And what if we do this? Still doesn't call it. I really don't want to do that. I don't want to do this. Let the record show. What the hell? Yeah, now it returned to the Freeroam. Okay. Yeah. That's funny. When I click on a Freeroam, it progresses the screens under the Freeroam. Okay. This is because I need to call it model. Hold on. Screens. Not image pattern, but screen. Show screen. There should be model statement. Okay, but
I never cared to be pretty. I'm always the one no one knows. Never found somebody like me. State of mind is always moving on. Cut to the chase and go quickly. Don't need no bullshit from you. Maybe you find me quite scary. I don't care if so, it's either or. Thinking about leaving the city. Lately it's making me choke. Don't give a damn if I'm silly. I don't care if so, it's either or. You can choose to win or lose. I give you the choice. The world is black or white, either or. You either like me or you don't. I don't care, no, not at all. Don't like me now, you never will. If you do, you get a thrill.
there should be model.
You like me or you don't. I'm looking crazy, but you don't know. What's on the inside never show. You either like me or you don't. I don't care, no, not at all. Either like me or you don't.
Okay,
Wanted to end it all quick,
you specify it in screen itself.
making me choke. Might end up pretty, I'm pretty.
Okay.
To leave before you know. Thinking about leaving the city. Lately it's making me choke. Don't give a damn if I'm silly. If I choose to go, then I'll be gone. You can choose to win or lose. I give you the choice. The world is black or white, either or. You either like me or
Yeah, that should ignore. Okay, I need to fix the skipping. Control should skip this. Oh, there's so much to do and it's so little time. Okay, at least we fixed this. So now, next what we want to do is our entity class, the story entity. It has a repeatable tag and optional tag. Optional we leave for now, but repeatable. Yeah, if it falls after first interaction, it should hide. Yeah. Basically, it should show only once. So I need a flag. I need a flag that says if players seen this story bit or not. Okay, so we're going to set this flag. We don't need to pass this flag, right? So we just need to set it inside the story entity. So let's do it like this: self.scene scene false. On the creation, we set it to false. But then in a Freeroam, no, in when we call it, yeah, here we hide screen, but first we make it self. I wonder if self here, it's called from yeah, it's called from screen. Ah, okay. So from screen, that means I need to how do I set it? Set this flag. I guess I need to do it from screen. Actually, I can call two actions, right? Yeah, I can do like this. I can do this and make call story entity dot scene. Sure. But not equals. And then we call function. However, this should be set variable, right? Set variable. Where's my actions? Set variable. Screen local set field. Change the value of field called field of the object. Value global variable called name found in the general store. Yeah, we need the object. We need to make set field. Object field value. Yes. Set field. Object. Story entity. Steam. True. This. Action keyword argument has not given the value of action. Huh? Okay, hold on. There was some way to give several actions, more than one.
Moon in the sky, I'm looking at the moon in the sky. This shouldn't come as a surprise, but I can't sleep. War in my mind, I'm trying to fight a war in my mind. I don't know who's the winner tonight, but it ain't me. Where are you now? When my fears are worse than ever, when the night goes on forever, when I'm losing track of time. Where are you now? When I need you more than ever, when I ain't got shit together, let me know just where you hide.
I was almost right.
Where are you now? Why aren't you holding me in the midnight hour, saying I'll be fine? Where are you now? Why aren't you here with me, here to calm me down in the midnight hour?
Name scene is not defined.
Stare into space, it's blinding but I can't look away. The stars connect a million ways, but I see you. Ooh, I light you away. I'm reaching but I can't touch your face. The distance gonna make me insane.
Body object has no attribute seen. Why? That's weird. That's very weird. Hold on. What? What the hell? They changed it. Oh, why it's not cooperating? I just realized this song was this music wasn't being a dick. Yeah, and it wasn't a not the party planner, the mansion repair new game. Oh well, I used it in my game too. Okay, my brain hurts. My brain hurt. I think that's enough coding for the day.